They're doing a story about Pepe's Pizza. They just opened up not too far from here. I'll have to try that out. Anyway, it's snowing out today, and so I decided to do some laundry, and the dryer is broken. So, alright, so I have everything all pulled out here to show you how that works. Basically, this is the top removed. You put your clothes in there. Set this thing. This is the timer. Drum spins. Air gets sucked in here. You can see my clothes in there. Comes in the bottom. Goes in there. Goes round and round. And then gets exhausted out there. Now, what was wrong with this, the heating element, which is, I'll show you, contained in the bottom of this piece. Here's my flashlight. This is the bottom of it, looking up towards the top. Those little coils in there. Yeah, they're broken now. There you go. See those little coily things in there? Those are what heat up because electricity runs through them. Now, when I looked down in here before, one of them was just kind of dangling around, and as you can see, my little spicy job there, they are no longer not attached. So now electricity can flow through them, and they heat up. Right? Huh? Yeah. So it works. Now, I'll show you. So this is hooked back up. It's top attached there. And everything's attached there. Plugged in. We'll try this at home. Yeah, you heard me. Okay. And there we go. That's working. That's fine, that was working before. What I really want to see is in here. Yeah, look at that. That's what I wanted to see. Those little coily guys all heated up and warming up my dryer. Good going, coily guys. So, if your dryer's ever not heating properly, don't worry. And don't try this at home. Wanna go for a ride? Huh? Wanna go?